Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday, everyone. Very good evening to everyone who are watching this video. This video is particularly for making for youngsters who are aspiring to get into a career that tests their cybersecurity skills. Okay, and this video is going to be very helpful for the learners, particularly the youngsters who are wanting to learn basics of cybersecurity. Okay, particularly when it comes to penetration testing. Okay, for example. Okay, and also particularly this in this video, I'm going to help how to handle errors. Okay, for example, let's say I'm going to try to learn some basics of Metasploit framework, okay, which is nothing but a penetration testing framework itself, okay, that is used by even an advanced a SOC analyst, not SOC analyst, but a penetration tester, okay, who works for an organization. It definitely be using one of these tools called Metasploit framework within a Kali Linux operating system. Particularly, it comes again under cyber offense platform, okay. And so let's get quickly started, guys. And for example, let's say this is my virtual machine, which is Windows 10 Pro virtual machine I have just now hosted on VMware Workstation Player. Okay, and often, right, like whenever a youngster tries to learn basics of cybersecurity, and particularly when he's trying to explore this Kali Linux stuff, okay, and often when he ends up into an error, they lost interest if they're not getting the desired results. So basically, and they keep wandering around a lot of online content to resolve that error. Okay, and now we have a very good facility in the form of generative AI in the market just now, and one of such tool is Microsoft Copilot. Is a very advanced tool, okay, an artificial intelligence chatbot which would help you with a lot of error handling stuffs. Okay, so let's say for example I'm trying to launch an nmap scan against this Windows 10 Pro virtual machine that I have just now. I'm just going to quickly pick up the IP address of this virtual machine. All right, and I'm just going to quickly copy the IP address. Okay, and here what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to quickly go to my Kali Linux here. Just going to quickly launch a terminal and just launch MSF console. All right, it's going to take a little bit of time. And here, let's say I would want to run, let's clear the window first, shabby. And here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run this command db underscore nmap. I'm just going to do a minus sv. I just want to list all the services with along with their versions, okay, of this virtual machine, okay, this Windows 10 Pro here, okay, and I'm just going to enter the target IP address here. Okay, this is the target IP address, guys. And immediately, as soon as I hit enter, probably it would run up getting an error. Let's see. Basically, this is the error that I'm getting: database not connected. Okay, so here what I'm going to help you with is understand why I'm getting this error first, and also I will help you fixing this error for you in front of you. Okay, how am I going to fix, guys? Basically, if I'm getting this error, basically it means that the Metasploit framework, particularly if you're running a network map scan in map scan, it uses PostgreSQL database. So basically, a service associated to this PostgreSQL is not running, or it's actually not initiated. The database, it's not initiated. Both the service as well as the database is not initiated yet. So probably that's why we are getting this error. But however, I don't know the next step how to fix this error. Okay, so I need not wander around looking for some online articles, etc. So if I'm an youngster just now, what I will simply do is I'll just quickly go ahead and ask Microsoft Copilot, as in the Bing AI just now. Okay, for example, as a sample, I just typed the error here. Okay, that I'm getting database not connected on Metasploit nmap tool. So as soon as I did that, automatically Microsoft Copilot was quick enough to understand my problem, and it gave me some steps to fix the issue. So this is it, guys. So it quickly understood that probably PostgreSQL service associated to this database not running. Hence, it has given me a command. I'm just going to quickly copy and paste it over here. All right. So I think that has done it, guys. Okay. And after that, I'm just going to quickly initiate the database now using this command out here. All right. So guys, I think you can see here it has actually successfully initiated the database. You can see your database already started. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to see the database status just now, whether it's running or not, using this command here. You can see here PostgreSQL selected, no connection yet. So probably let's just see what this error means. Okay, you can add this generative AI guy is very interactive here. Okay, I'm just posting the message over here that I received on my Kali Linux virtual machine as an output on the root terminal. You can see here. So you can see here it seems like it's not able to connect to PostgreSQL database. Okay, so you can see here it's trying to tell me that firstly, let's see the status of the Postgres SQL service. So you can see here it's active and it's loaded. Okay, and then the next command it says is this one. I think it's not required because it's already started. Okay, let's probably try. Probably need to type manually. See, but it's not required because the service is already started. Probably we can do a restart maybe. See if okay. So let's do one thing here. We'll try. We'll use this command just now to reinitiate the database. Okay, so that's done, guys. Now let's try running that command just now. Okay, which is nothing but db nmap. So let me do that. Let me clear off this results here. db underscore nmap minus lower s uppercase v, and then I'm just going to put in I put in the IP address of that virtual machine which I have just now, 1.n1 91. Sorry, but I'm still getting this error message. Okay, something isn't right just now. I'm just going to quickly copy and ask the Bing AI. Still same. Okay, it's asking me to enter further more commands. Says it's active and loaded. All right, so let's try this command out here. Let's see what Bing AI says to this particular command. I mean, it's not returning us any output. You can see here, it's so he's Bing AI is asking me to run it from here. Okay. So basically, what I was trying to do earlier is I was trying to. Did you get it right, guys? I was running from the MSF console itself. So I think that's why it was actually failing. Okay, you got it right. So now what I need to do is I just need to run this from the from here actually. All right. When I do that, let's see if that works actually. Okay, and now if I try launching MSF console, okay, now if I try to run db underscore nmap minus sv, then if I give the IP address of my, there you go, guys. You can see here that has fixed the issue. Basically, I had run the initiate command, that is this one out here, msfdb space re inid. Okay, this is to initialize the database connection. Okay, I ran it directly on the MSF console. That's why it isn't working. But what I had done as in to fix the issue is I ran this command on the terminal, root terminal itself. Okay, after doing that, you can see the scan has successfully happened within the MSF console, and you can see it has given me the results. So basically, it took some time for me to analyze my own silly mistake. Okay, and I was successfully able to resolve that issue with I mean, the DB connection failed error message, which I was getting early at the beginning of this video when I was about to demonstrate an example. Okay, so initially I had no idea about how to fix the issue as a youngster. I'm telling. Okay, and however, with the help of this Bing AI, I was successfully able to handle this error and also resolve it at the same time. Okay, and and this particular Bing AI has been so interactive with me. Like it's never telling that I don't know the answer. For whatever queries I've asked, it has successfully answered me. However, at that point in time, when I was running the command, the initiation command on the MSF console itself, that I think that particular thing Bing AI did not help. But I recognize myself that I'm doing that error, that I was running it on the MSF console itself, and then I had to switch over and run it on the root terminal. Okay, but I think it did say somewhere that I was running it on the MSF console itself. Let me see that. Just a second. Yeah, you can see here. I think this is where I actually realized that I am doing a mistake here. It did, like, I copied the output of this particular command, which also supposedly I had to run it from the root terminal. However, I was running it in MSF console itself. Okay, and then Copilot was quick enough to recognize that I'm doing a manual error here. And as you can see, it seems like you're trying to connect to the PostgreSQL database manually from within the Metasploit console itself. Okay, and it also made me realize that I need to run this command, okay, in the system's terminal, not in the Metasploit console. So this is how this particular Bing AI, it's almost like a human for you guys. It's a revelation basically. Okay, so all the youngsters out here watching this video, I just wanted to convey that you do not depend on others for learning these kind of stuffs. Now you have a very powerful tool in the form of Microsoft Pilot, which you can use readily, and it's going to be very interactive, and it's like your bro helping you out there and spotting your mistakes that you're doing, and also helps you in correcting them. Okay, so that is what I wanted to endorse in this video. So if you want to learn cybersecurity skills, go ahead and use this game changer, guys. Game changing tool. Okay, it's in front of you, and I'm sure that it's going to build its own legacy going forward, as well as it is going to bring on more enhancements frequently. Okay, the developers are surely going to ingest a lot of developments in coming years within this tool, and there will be more advanced features coming in very soon that we can expect. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the upward button, guys, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos like this related to cybersecurity or any other technical stuffs that I've been making. Okay, stay tuned for more videos like this, guys, by subscribing my channel and hitting the bell icon so that you don't miss any new notifications related to my upcoming videos. Thank you, guys. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, eat healthy. Cheers. Ta-ta. Bye-bye.